You remember I told you I've been creating the app the last few weeks?
Of course.
So this is the app. I always wanted to make my mother proud. I built her a full PC setup. I secretly learned her language. But now she was worried sick that I will be homeless. You see, I dropped out of college, and her belief is if I don't get a degree, I won't have the skills to get a job. After dropping out, I went on a holiday with one of my best friends. He actually has a degree in computer science and earns thousands every month from his own mobile apps. And he had this crazy idea.
Bro, you know what you should try? You can build an app and let just AI do the job for you.
But I don't know anything about apps or coding or AI.
Doesn't matter.
I thought this was impossible. Only in middle school did I have one single IT class, and in that class I had the worst grade out of everyone. But my mother was losing hope, and this was my chance to prove her and to myself I don't need a university degree. I can learn and work on my own terms. That's my idea, to get a better phone camera app, like a water scale. We can set the exposure. Biggest part here is can take automatic photos, so it's like a machine gun. Do you think I can do this in vibe coding myself?
I think it's too much. It's too much. Too much functionality you envisioned.
You don't think I can do it?
I think it's too tough for using vibe coding.
Well, Sammy told me that yesterday already. I didn't have it on camera. That's why I have another idea. And okay. I'm gonna pitch it to Sammy.
Let's go.
You know Wordle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the app where every day you have a task to press the words. Right now my idea is calling it mini missions. So every day there's one mini mission. For example, draw an elephant. Mm-hmm. You're 24 hours, you draw the elephants, you take a photo, and then other people can see what you did.
First of all, I really like the idea. It sounds like an app that could go viral if you market it right. I mean, it's going to take at least a month, I think. What you have to take into consideration is you will have to have a backend for this.
Now, Sammy showed me all softwares that he would use. It's only now that I understood how difficult building an entire app with no coding experience will be. Unfortunately, also, Sammy has his own projects to work on, so this app will be entirely up to me to build.
Yeah, good luck.
It is now the night of day number 1. It literally takes a day to download these softwares. What's up, guys? Now it's already dark, as you can tell, and the entire day I've been just installing all the software that we need. We have quite a bit of different tags. So first of all, backend, Firebase, then we use Flutter as the UI framework, then we use Cursor, that's this thing right here. This is like the AI assistant tool. This is basically what I'm probably going to spend most of the time on, I'm assuming. Then I'm going to try to use Claude. It's going to help for design. I already drafted a prompt on what I want the app to look like, and this is going to be the first prompt we're going to give the AI, and we're going to see what comes of it. I created this 4-page prompt with the support of ChatGPT. I didn't know how to launch the simulator, so Sammy opened it for me, and this was when we created our first layout of the app. That's crazy. Crazy. Ja, sieht ja nicht mal schlecht aus. Was brauche ich denn jetzt noch? Ich weiß jetzt nicht, was ich jetzt noch brauche. Kann ich das schon launchen?
Na, aber jetzt Funktionalität. Das ist ja Mock-Daten quasi, die du siehst.
Das bedeutet, ich muss jetzt hier sagen, mache jetzt keinen Mock. This is so sick. One simple line I type into add streak option, flames option if somebody gets multiple pictures in a row, and it immediately adds that. After only one prompt, I had the first version of the app already created. Now I even prompted to add a functioning camera, and then I was already taking photos with my own app. Yeah.
Nice. Crazy.
I discovered the fun of vibe coding. Just give a prompt and the AI will create the code. I felt unstoppable now. What is up, guys? It is day number 3 in beautiful Thailand. I woke up like at 7, super excited just to code the app, which is ridiculous. And then take a photo and it's able to initialize camera, hopefully. Please. I spent the next 24 hours just adding all the features that we need. Most importantly, now real users will be able to log in. I got so far, and you can literally already pretty much use it. I already connected it to the Backbase.
How is it possible?
Wie heißt das nochmal? Wie heißt das nochmal?
It's a backend with
Backend. I had zero clue of how code is built myself. I didn't even know the word for backbase and front end, but I also didn't need to. I only needed to know what I want, and I told that to AI. I'm thinking about the app the entire time, and I'm just super excited. I can't get my brain to rest. I have another name. It's not gonna be mini mission. It's gonna be mission snap. You go on a mission and you snap. That makes more sense. Mission snap. I already checked, I got the domain now. Today is day number 4 and it is a beautiful day. Look at this sunshine and this view. What's even more amazing is this view right here on my laptop. Well, my first idea was to create a just the M logo, like emissions. But there are many out there already. Then I thought about what if we just do more of an icon style. We need to get like a mission, so we have like a mountain, like a flag on top. Using my Photoshop skills and some ChatGPT, I spent some hours creating a cool looking icon. This icon will be really important as it's going to be seen everywhere where the app is. Sammy just checked out the logo. I thought it was really good. Sammy said, what did you say? It looks like a stickman. I have ADHD so bad. Like when I start a project, I cannot finish. No, wait. When I start a project, I cannot stop without finishing. Like my brain isn't at rest. Actually quite tragic. Oh, and I forgot to say what I'm working on right now is actually insane. Let me turn the camera. I am translating the entire app, which is ridiculous. You can toggle English and German. Finally the day that we can test the app. So I'm uploading right now on the App Store and there is like a test flight demo version. And of course on my second screen I'm asking the AI how to actually upload it. I received the invite to test. Click on it and here I see this app. I click on that and I can install Mission Snap now. This is the front screen. I can already see here I want to have some little things changed. Just going through the entire app on my phone and then just updating everything here. For example, the admin tab. I couldn't see that on the simulator, but this should be like a spreadsheet so I can do this properly. It worked kind of.
And you have a watermark even.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks, it looks really bad. Okay, so it just opens another...
It just opens the sharing tab.
And then you can open Instagram?
And here you can select Instagram.
Let's not post that. Oh.
Admin? Ah, das ist nur für dich sichtbar.
Mhm. Das ist
Von
cool,
der App selbst. Aber das... Wow! Whoa, that's crazy, bro!
Full admin control of the missions.
You can whoa, that's crazy. I would never even think about doing it in an app.
Like showing this app to Sammy, I thought I can share it with my other friends. But like look at this entire bug list. Like every single one of these bugs is a critical step. Day number 6, I believe, and I haven't showed you how I'm working here yet. So I'm just on my bed. Sitting down is so straining and standing up as well. Laying down on the bed, having the screens here, like right now it's prompting, and I'm in the meantime literally just watching YouTube videos. I don't know if it's getting worse. It's for sure having a harder time at fixing the task. So in the beginning, day number 1 and 2, I feel like it was super easy to give good prompts and the AI knew exactly what to do. But now it's getting more difficult. I need to optimize how things are loaded with the lazy loading that loads in the background. If a user clicks on, like, for example, the feed, that it doesn't load 100,000 images, but just the first couple ones. This helps so I don't have to pay too much in data because I mean, I'm just gonna lose money on this. I spent the next days and nights fixing bugs, and I had everything fixed except for one setting, and that was the notifications. Today is the worst day ever. I've been trying to set up notification settings probably over 10 hours, and it's not working. Like normally in the past few days, I've always got something in one day, but today literally nothing. Really frustrating. It was time to bring in the secret weapon, Sammy. However, he couldn't figure it out as well. The code was looking good, we tried every debug step several times, and it all just didn't make any sense. Maybe tomorrow I can fix it, but I don't think so, because Sammy didn't do it, AI didn't do it. What am I gonna do? You can't imagine how frustrating it is. Or maybe I just have to rewrite the entire code from beginning, just delete everything and just start fresh. Guys, we did it. Actually insane. This took 2 days, and this was all we're looking for, FCM token, and all I had to do was just upload it on test flight and actually run the version. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted mentally, and I'm so relieved that it worked. The final step before I can share this app with my mother is to submit to Apple and Google for review. Basically what happens for Apple is you pay $100 to sign up as an app developer and then send in your app for review. And they then send a long list back to you of what you need to change. For the Google Play Store, I paid $25. But here they require you to test the app for 14 days with over 12 real Android users. I just paid some Pakistani guys. Altogether, app creation and publication of the app cost me around $600. Now it was finally time to show the app to my mother. Do you remember when you asked me to give like a daily life update, that you wanted to see like something daily?
Of course, I want to see something daily, a sign of being still alive.
So that's actually how I got the idea of the app.
Okay.
So this is the app.
It's called what? Mission? Oh God, the
Mission Snap.
Mission Snap. And a selfie with a plant as if it's famous. Okay. Snap Mission. So what do? I just take a picture?
Yeah, you could. So basically that's...
Okay, I take a snapshot of myself.
So every day you get a mission. So for example, you do the mission, I do the mission, everybody does the same mission around the world. You can have your friends, your family, and everybody uploads their picture. For my mother to understand the functionality of the app, I first had to explain it to her. This video is, by the way, just the beginning of launching our app. Subscribe for the next episode, because I already tested and improved the entire app. We added individual groups and let users create their own missions. If you want to test the app yourself, I'll leave a link down below in the description, and here's what my mother said.
Good. I never thought you would be able to develop an app. You are not a math genius.
Not at all. I'm the opposite of a math genius.
So I think it is good. It never hurts just to try out new things. So I wish you good luck.